Okay, so I'm always having a look out for the latest upcoming tech and innovation gadgets that I think are really cool. I'm browsing sites like Indiegogo and Kickstarter for the crowdfunding, and I've come across my top 5 gadgets that are due to be released next year. So make sure to check the link in the description below. But once you take a look at some of these, you're going to think, wow, I really want to buy these as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I think are some really cool things and very affordable things that you'd want to buy starting from 2025. Let's get into it.
Introducing the first ultrasonic kitchen knife in the world where technology moves the knife blade 45,000 times per second, thereby increasing the cutting properties immensely. Our knife contains patented technology where the battery-powered control unit operates an ultrasonic transducer, causing the knife blade to move. The ultrasonic technology offers several benefits, such as a non-stick blade. The knife is universal and easy to care for. The ultrasonic technology significantly enhances the cutting properties. This technology also allows cutting of layered, crumbly, and delicate food with ease. A perfectly straight cut means there is no loss of liquids and vitamins. It is also ideal for cutting solid foods. After you are finished using the knife, you recharge it by simply inserting it back in the base station. 369 Sonic, the power of sound.
Hey there, Lumos family. We're back again, and we're thrilled to introduce you to our newest helmet, the Lumos Nixle. Nixle combines smart visibility, advanced head protection, and sleek urban design to make Nixle our safest, smartest, and dare we say, most stylish bike helmet we've ever made. With Nixle, you're not just wearing a helmet, you're wearing a complete safety system. Beautifully integrated front and rear LED lights ensure 360-degree visibility, so you're seen from every angle, day or night. Turning left or right? Let everyone know. Activate turn signals with the press of a button. When you need to stop, automatic brake lights activate to warn others following behind. Ride smart, stay safe, look great. That's the Lumos Nixle. Let's light up the road together.
In today's world, we are surrounded by lots of devices, from climate control to lighting to entertainment. But managing them all, it's complicated. Imagine a world where control is effortless, where the touch of a button can transform your space. Introducing Haptik RS90, a dedicated device that simplifies user experience for all your needs. In the heart of the living room, where memories are made and stories are shared, there's a symphony of devices, each with its own voice, each with its own command. From the flicker of the television screen to the gentle hum of the sound system, the dance of technology fills the air. The beauty of the Haptik RS90 lies in its simplicity. With a touch, it navigates across the complex landscape of devices, whether they speak in infrared, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth. It is built with the highest precision, offering you the feeling of holding an ultra-luxurious gadget in your hand. With its anodized aluminum finish, available in silver and gunmetal gray, it is sure to stand out in your interior decor. Designed by experts from Paris, France, Ahmedabad, India, and Shenzhen, China, the RS90 runs on a stable, secure mobile platform for a smooth touchscreen experience. Its custom PCB supports 24 backlit buttons with unique RGB lighting effects. Enjoy advanced IP integrations, reliable Bluetooth, and extensive infrared compatibility, all in one device. Join the Haptik revolution now and get your best smart home companion. Help us grow with your support and recommendation to make Haptik RS90 the best gadget on the planet.
Okay, hopefully you enjoyed my top 5 gadgets that are coming up from next year. If you have any questions, as always, drop them down below. I've got the links to all 5 of those in the description, so make sure to check out all of the crowdfunding campaigns for them if you are interested in buying one of these items. And make sure to like this video if you do enjoy these top 5 videos, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.